So hello guys, welcome to my video, and today we're gonna make a desktop shortcut. A tutorial about this, and it's slide to shutdown. You can see this is the shortcut. I made it on my own. You can see, click on this, the slider appears. I'm gonna show you how to make it. First, right click, click on new. Instead of making new folder or other things, try to click on shortcut and type slide to this HUT Hold on, remember those again. And there you go. You can write this slide to shut down, click on next. There you go. Finish. And there you go. You have this slide to shut down shortcut. Click on this. The slider appears. But it's not even look like the icon makes it look like it isn't. So right click and then click on properties or something, I don't know. Click on that. And then click on change icon. This arrow will appear. Click on OK. Click on this power button icon. That. Click on OK. OK. Apply. And there you go. You have this beautiful thing. Beautiful slide to shut down exe. So let me just view. I'm gonna take this, and now once you click it, this thing will appear. Do not swipe it all the way down. I'm not gonna swipe it all the way down. It will shut down my PC. The recording will end. I'm just gonna delete that because I don't need that. Since I already have it into this, and boom, there you have it. So this is how I made this. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Peace.